I promise to pay that next week.
You sure?
It's up to me if it's not your problem anymore.
Oh my, I told you earlier you're here. Your next subject, huh? At least you enjoy. Really? But you can do that after the class. So what's up? We're just having our exam for 50 points.
Not
Not
so
so
bad.
bad. You're wasting money, guys.
Look, here's cooking.
We care because you're friends. It's been 1 week that you guys keep doing this. Okay, stop. Let's talk about this, okay?
Stop.
Really?
And your smiling was so funny.
I just can't imagine you still can do bad things in spite of your decision.
What?
Hey, relax. This is not for relaxing. You make me points in our subject. You told us to relax. Come on, guys. We're not rich. So what you suggest? All of you should stop playing whatever.
It's not that easy.
I feel think it's easy too. We need a good grade, guys. Sorry, guys.
Yes, that's so sorry.
It's not so late. You guys can make it.
Let's save money and do business.
That's a good idea. Let's save money for Christmas and New Year.
Yeah.
Yeah. Together.